my name is Emily Watman-Turner, and I'm the VP of Operations at Kenzie Academy. We're a tech apprenticeship program exclusively focused on serving Middle America. You can think of us as the Andela of the American heartland. All of us have heard about and experienced how technology is dramatically shaping the world and economy around us. Every company is a tech company. Automation is decimating low to middle skills jobs. These economic shifts require a thoughtful workforce development strategy. By 2020, it's expected there will be 1 million unfilled computing jobs in the United States. As I'm sure many of you have heard, tech supply and talent supply is not keeping up with talent demand. In 2015, there were roughly 60,000 computer science graduates as compared to 530,000 open computing jobs. We saw a slight uptick in 2016 with roughly 80,000 computer science graduates. Boot camps added an additional 23,000 in 2017. But what does this data mean for individuals and for companies? For individuals, there's a lot of opportunity in technology. Access to high-wage employment, career advancement, and for many, a pathway to economic mobility. For companies, it means they're competing for scarce talent, paying high wages, and this is often all happening in a relatively small geographic area. 46% of all US digital services jobs are concentrated in 10 metro regions. That's largely in San Francisco and the DC to Boston corridor. Research from the Brookings Institute reinforces this, showing that between 2013 and 2015, the regions with the largest absolute increase in tech jobs were San Francisco, San Jose, and New York. There were some emerging markets breaking the top 20. Indianapolis, Durham, Detroit, Madison. When I think about the data, open jobs, small geographic concentration, I'm filled with both fear and hope. Fear that technology could be one of the greatest drivers of inequality in my generation, and hope that with thoughtful, collective action, we can leverage technology to increase access to opportunity in new ways. The importance of Steve Case's Rise of the Rest drumbeat to bring jobs and capital to the flyover states was reinforced by the 2016 US presidential election, which highlighted a geographic divide in our country. We at Kenzie Academy feel a deep urgency around the geographic opportunity gap, and that was one of our largest motivations for launching Kenzie Academy. Our goal is to spread tech opportunities across the American heartland, to connect communities with tech employment, talented people who are often overlooked with jobs. Our solution is Kenzie Academy. Our mission is to equip people from Middle America with the necessary skills, experience, and access needed to launch successful careers in tech. We do this by integrating working and learning. Here's what this looks like. When a student comes to Kenzie Academy for our software engineering program at our flagship campus in Indianapolis, Indiana, they're making a 2-year commitment. In year 1, they complete immersive training at Kenzie Academy, and in year 2, transition to a paid apprenticeship at Kenzie Studios, Kenzie's consulting arm. Year 1 features project-based learning in a flipped classroom environment. We also expose our students to other tech ecosystems through remote instructors, combined with on-site full-time instructors, as well as mentorship through a one-on-one coaching model. In year 2 at Kenzie Studios, students complete real work and are paid. Their work product is overseen by senior technologists who ensure quality, meaning that companies are paying junior developer prices, but getting access to mid to senior level work product. Our unique finance model shifts the burden of education from solely the individual to both individual and employer. In year 1, students finance the $24,000 tuition burden, either by paying up front or using an income share agreement. In year 2, revenue from Kenzie Studios pays that $24,000 for the student. I want to give you a chance to hear directly from the individuals we're serving in Indiana through this short video.
Kenzie Academy is a tech apprenticeship school that teaches people all the modern skills that is highly desirable in the tech industry today. We see that there is a huge talent issue in the West Coast as well as the East Coast. So we decided to find a Middle American city that has an equal untapped talent pool, which we can unlock, train up, and hopefully get tech jobs spread more evenly throughout the country.
I was interested in getting into an industry that didn't really have a stopping point to the learning curve. I wanted to be able to just keep growing, keep learning.
When I came here to meet with the people at Kenzie, they were confident in me, and that gave me the confidence to say, you know, maybe I can do it.
Even though I had a software development experience, I had a break, like a decade break. So I wanted to be current. So that's what I'm here for, to update myself to the current industry level.
What we want to do is create a new pathway for these people who has the drive to change their lives, an opportunity to enter the tech industry.
Kenzie Academy has set me up for the future by allowing me to build my portfolio, giving me the tools that are actually being used in the industry right now. They work with partner companies to develop the curriculum so that I can use those specific skills once I get into the industry and start working for those companies.
So this is an exclusive access for students of Kenzie to be able to talk to people who are very senior. We're bringing in a former VP from Netflix. We brought in a senior manager from Google and NAS.
That gives me a leg up because the skills that I'm learning right now will be directly applicable to the job that I'll have in the future.
I want to be ready for the industry. When I enter a job, I don't want to struggle there. The growth will be higher in the future for me when I go through Kenzie Academy. That's what I believe.
I think if people really want to be involved, if they want to take their career to the next step, if they want to be in a fast-paced, growing field, I think this is the choice for them. Not only am I going to be learning on the job, my job is to learn.
Through Kenzie Academy, we are helping individuals like Kavitha, Jake, and AJ gain the needed skills to launch careers in tech. We are also connecting companies with elite talent. And through that, we are leveling the opportunity gap between the coasts and Middle America. Thank you.